Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's begin to solve this tricky math problem. Okay, 32 minus 30 equals 2 and 30 minus 32. Here it equals negative 2 and there is multiplication. Here 2 multiplied by negative 2 equals negative 4. But this is not correct answer because according to the order of operations, first we have to begin to work inside the parentheses, after that exponents, and then multiplication and division, finally addition or subtraction. Here multiplication and division have equal priority, that's why we have to begin to work from the left to the right, and according to this rule, first we have to work inside the parentheses, and 30 minus 32 equals negative 2, and we have to copy the rest part of the problem. 32 minus 30 multiplied by negative 2. Here multiplication comes before the subtraction, that's why we have to work first multiplication, and negative 30 multiplied by negative 2 equals positive 60, and 32 multiplied by 60, it equals 92. This is our correct and final answer. We can copy this answer here. Answer for this problem is 92. That's all. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.